Are you an off-road adventure seeker who craves rugged, go-anywhere vehicles? Or maybe you're just tired of the same boring crossovers and SUVs crowding the roads. Well, get ready for some huge news that's about to shake up the automotive world. An unlikely player from the UK oil and chemical industry is gearing up to unleash a trio of extreme off-roaders that could give the Jeep Wrangler and the Ford Bronco a run for their money. Who is this daring company? What incredible models do they have in store for us? Brace yourself, because they've just revealed the plans to build a new factory right here in the United States. To kick things off, let's introduce the maverick company behind this automotive upheaval, Ineos Automotive. This British chemical giant, owned by billionaire Sir Jim Ratcliffe, decided to take a wildly unexpected detour into the world of hardcore off-road vehicles. Their motivation? To create a new breed of uncompromising 4x4s that could outperform even the most legendary off-roaders on the market. Ineos's roots can be traced back to 1998, when Ratcliffe founded the Ineos Group, a powerhouse in the chemical industry. Over the years, the company has grown through strategic acquisitions and now operates across 26 countries, employing over 26,000 people. Despite their success in chemicals, Ratcliffe harbored a lifelong passion for off-roading and was dismayed by the discontinuation of the iconic Land Rover Defender in 2016. This setback sparked an ambitious idea to create a modern reincarnation of the Defender that would stay true to its utilitarian roots while incorporating cutting-edge technology. Thus, the Ineos Grenadier was born, a bold fusion of classic design and modern engineering. Their debut model, the Ineos Grenadier, is a bold reincarnation of the iconic Land Rover Defender, a vehicle renowned for its utilitarian ruggedness and go-anywhere capabilities. With its boxy, no-nonsense design and cutting-edge off-road tech, the Grenadier aims to fill the void left by the departure of the original Defender. Under the hood, it packs a powerful BMW-sourced 3.0-liter twin-turbo 6-cylinder engine, mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission and a robust 4-wheel drive system. But the Grenadier's true strength lies in its uncompromising off-road capabilities. It boasts features like solid axles, locking differentials, and an advanced terrain management system that can automatically adjust to the vehicle's settings based on the conditions. With a wading depth of up to 31.5 inches and approach and departure angles that would make a mountain goat envious, the Grenadier is poised to conquer even the most treacherous landscapes. Inside, the Grenadier offers a no-frills utilitarian cabin designed with durability and practicality in mind. Durable surfaces, water-resistant upholstery, and a straightforward layout ensure that this off-roader can withstand the rigors of any adventure. And for those who crave a touch of luxury, Ineos has partnered with premium brands like Recaro to offer upscale options. But Ineos isn't stopping there. In a recent bombshell announcement, they revealed plans for not one, but 2 additional extreme off-roaders to join their lineup. The first of these new models is rumored to be a smaller, more affordable offering aimed squarely at the Jeep Wrangler market. While details are still scarce, insider reports suggest that this compact off-roader will share the Grenadier's rugged body-on-frame construction and advanced off-road technology, but in a more city-friendly package. This could include a shorter wheelbase, more compact dimensions, and potentially even a hybrid powertrain option to appeal to the eco-conscious adventurers. The second new model in Ineos's pipeline is shrouded in even more mystery, but rumors point to a larger, even more capable Behemoth designed to take on the likes of the Ford Bronco and the Toyota 4Runner. If these whispers are true, we could be looking at a full-size 7-seat off-roader with a massive cargo capacity and an arsenal of heavy-duty off-road hardware. Think portal axles, locking differentials front and rear, and a powerful turbo diesel engine option, the ultimate weapon for conquering the wilderness. One of the key selling points of the entire Ineos lineup will be their use of body-on-frame construction, a design philosophy that favors durability and off-road prowess over on-road comfort. Combined with features like solid axles, locking differentials, and advanced terrain management systems, these vehicles are poised to be unstoppable forces in the wilderness. But Ineos's ambitions extend far beyond just designing and manufacturing these extreme off-roaders. In a move that could send shockwaves through the American automotive landscape, the company is aggressively pursuing plans to build a new factory right here in the United States. This bold strategy is part of Ineos's goal to establish a strong manufacturing presence in one of the largest and most lucrative markets for off-road vehicles. By building a dedicated factory in the U.S., the company could significantly reduce transportation costs, avoid potential import tariffs, and gain a strategic advantage over competitors who rely on overseas production. While the specific location is undecided, Ineos has been actively scouting potential sites across multiple states, evaluating factors such as infrastructure, access to skilled labor, and tax incentives. States like Alabama, Georgia, and South Carolina have emerged as frontrunners, each offering attractive incentive packages and a rich automotive manufacturing heritage. Alabama, in particular, has a strong track record of luring automakers with its business-friendly policies and experienced workforce. The state is already home to major automotive facilities operated by companies like Mercedes-Benz, Honda, and Hyundai. If Ineos were to select Alabama, it would be joining a well-established automotive ecosystem with a deep talent pool and robust supply chain. Georgia, on the other hand, has been aggressively courting Ineos with its strategic location, affordable real estate, and access to major transportation hubs like the Port of Savannah. The state's pro-business environment and generous tax incentives have already attracted investments from automakers like Kia and Rivian. South Carolina, with its seasoned automotive workforce and proximity to major markets, is also making a strong case for Ineos's U.S. factory. The state's successful track record with companies like BMW and Volvo could give it an edge in the bidding process. Regardless of the final location, the establishment of an Ineos manufacturing facility in the U.S. would bring significant economic benefits to the chosen state. Industry analysts estimate that such a project could create thousands of direct and indirect jobs, not only within the factory itself, but also across a vast network of suppliers and support services. Moreover, having a dedicated U.S. production base would allow Ineos to rapidly respond to market demands and potentially accelerate the rollout of future models tailored specifically for American consumers. This could include special editions or unique trim levels designed to cater to the preferences of off-road enthusiasts in different regions of the country. The potential impact of an Ineos U.S. factory extends beyond just the company itself. It could also serve as a catalyst for further investment and growth in the American off-road vehicle market. As more competitors take notice of Ineos's success, they may follow suit and establish their own manufacturing presence, further solidifying the U.S. as a global hub for rugged, capable off-roaders. While the final destination on the location of Ineos's U.S. factory is still pending, the company's commitment to this ambitious project is unwavering. Sir Jim Ratcliffe himself has been actively involved in the site selection process, recognizing the strategic importance of having a strong foothold in the American market. The United States is a critical market for us, and we are determined to establish a significant manufacturing presence there, Ratcliffe stated in a recent interview. Our goal is to bring our exceptional off-road vehicles closer to the customers who appreciate their capabilities and design philosophy. Now let's talk pricing. While official figures haven't been released yet, industry insiders speculate that the Ineos Grenadier could start around the $50,000 mark, positioning it as a more affordable alternative to luxury off-roaders like the Land Rover Defender and Mercedes-Benz G-Class. As for the two new models in the works, it's rumored that the smaller offering aimed at the Jeep Wrangler market could be priced competitively in the $30,000 to $40,000 range, while the larger full-sized model could command a premium in the $60,000 to $70,000 ballpark. Ineos's aggressive pricing strategy could be a game-changer, making their lineup accessible to a wider range of adventure enthusiasts who might have been priced out of the off-road market until now. Behind all this audacious ambition is the visionary leadership of Sir Jim Ratcliffe, a billionaire entrepreneur with a passion for off-roading and a track record of disrupting established industries. Ratcliffe's bold decision to venture into the automotive world with Ineos Automotive was born out of his frustration with the lack of truly capable, no-frills off-roaders on the market. With deep pockets and unwavering commitment to his vision, Ratcliffe has assembled a team of talented engineers and designers who share his passion for creating vehicles that can conquer the toughest terrain without sacrificing practicality and affordability. Many of these engineers and designers hail from prestigious brands like Land Rover, Mercedes-Benz, and Ford, bringing with them a wealth of experience in off-road vehicle development. As Ineos Automotive continues to make waves with their ambitious plans, one thing is clear: the off-road vehicle landscape is about to get a whole lot more exciting. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or just someone who appreciates the rugged, no-nonsense appeal of a true off-roader, these upcoming models from Ineos are sure to capture your attention and ignite your sense of exploration. With their unwavering commitment to capability, affordability, and practicality, Ineos is poised to disrupt the off-road market and offer a fresh alternative to the established players. As we come to the end of today's video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with all the latest automotive news and reviews. Thanks for watching.